Greetings. It gives us immense pleasure that a team of Civil Engineering Department of Sanjeevani College of Engineering Kopargaon, an autonomous institute affiliated to SPPU Pune, is coming up with distance learning course on quality control practices and challenges on construction site. Hope this course will be beneficial to the fresher, to the supervisors, to the engineers, or any other person working at construction site. Always it is said that certain percentage of students in a particular field is not fit to work practically or on site. In any field, it is true. Same thing is applicable to construction industry also. The students, the freshers, they are good enough in theory, but weak in practical aspects. To apply the theory-based knowledge on site practically in a easy way in a layman or labor language skillfully to complete the task. In any construction project, economy is a must, and while achieving economy, the quality of should not be compromised. Due consideration should be given to the economy, but while considering the economy, the quality of work it should not get hampered. With this intention, we have planned to prepare a course which will provide a base to any level of fresher working on site. We have prepared this course with the following objectives: to guide the fresher about the on-site activities. Next is to train them about the actual execution of particular atom of work and to inculcate among them the quality control practices on site. This course aims to discuss the technical aspects as well as practical aspects of several activities involved in construction of any building, with flavor of using modern materials with sustainable development is an issue related with clean and green environment. So while preparing this course, proper weightage is given to the quality of materials. At the same time, due consideration is given for maintaining sustainable development and green environment. The course will cover topics from clearance of site, demarcation of plot to finishing work. So starting from the site clearance to the finishing, all aspects are covered under this course. The course will also provide insight to actual procedures or practices followed by the site personnel and modern materials which can be used at construction site. So while preparing this course, quality control practices and challenges on construction site, we have alienated this course into 4 modules. Module number 1 is site clearance to plinth work. So under this, clearing the site. First, demarcation of plot is important to avoid further complications. To make the site more sustainable, what should be the attempt? What precautions should be taken during excavation for foundation and plinth? So for any construction project, very first job is after preparation of budget estimate and all those things. Site clearance. So in case of site clearance, always it is cleared from various types of trees and debris. So as a part of sustainable development, what are the various things which can be maintained? So during the site cleaning, demarcation is very, very important. Otherwise, it will create a further problem. And during the excavation, if excavation is in black cotton soil or loose soil, then what sort of precaution should be taken for foundation? At the same time, for plinth filling, due consideration is given to all these aspects as a part of this module number 1. Module number 2, it comprises of RCC elements. In case of these RCC elements, quality aspect of concrete is given. For preparation of the concrete, cement, sand, aggregate, steel and water, these are required. So as a part of these, what quality should be maintained on site, not at the lab. Then to give the shape for concrete, formwork is required. So what type of formwork should be given, what should be the repetitions, and how economy can be achieved. That is considered under this. The construction work should be carried out as per specifications. It should be carried out as per the working drawings, which are supplemented by the RCC consultant to the site engineer. Due weight is given to this under module number 2. Module number 3 is brick masonry. So while carrying out this brick masonry work, quality of the building units such as bricks or lightweight blocks or any type of block, due consideration should be given. What should be the qualities of the first class bricks, second class bricks, how those can be tested physically on site. That will be covered under this. At the same time, for construction of this, mortar is required. So what care should be taken while preparation of the mortar? What should be the ingredient? How those should be used? And at the same time, during this brick masonry work, what should be the workmanship? Whether the particular bond is implemented or not, as per the specifications, or you can say as per the agreement. That is discussed under this module number 3. And last is module number 4, finishing work, plastering and coloring. So this is very, very important, irrespective of the quality of the materials used, irrespective of the workmanship used on site. Finishing work is very, very important because everything will get considered under this. But here, our intention should be to maintain the quality. Quality aspect should be important. So during the plastering work and coloring work, what should be the thickness, whether line and level is maintained or not, how to check this line and level, verticality, in what way this work should be carried out. Whether it is carried out as per the specifications or not, what specification dictates upon. Due consideration is given to all these parameters under this module number 4. So this is all about this course, quality control practices and challenges on construction site. So we have our experts. Myself, Dr. Chandrakant Jejulkar. My doctorate is in civil engineering, specialization water resource engineering. Since last 25 years, I am working as a professor in civil engineering department. My area of interest is building construction and quantity surveying. Specialization is in hydrology. I am also associated with the consultancy related with the survey work. My area of interest is artificial neural network and hydrology. On behalf of my teammates, I hope participants will enjoy and learn the proposed course. Member number 2 is Professor Sandeep Korke. His post-graduation is in civil engineering, presently pursuing PhD. Total, he is having 13 years of experience. He is also having field experience of 2 years. In addition to this, he is dealing with consultancy in geotechnical engineering. He is handling various consultancies related to the various types of tests related to murums, soil stability, bearing capacity. Next member is Professor Naneshwar Mori. His specialization is in structural engineering, presently pursuing PhD. He is also having more than 11 years experience. He is having parallel experience in construction activities. His area of interest is concrete technology. His area of interest is also infrastructural engineering. Hope his experience will also be beneficial for you. And the fourth member is Dr. Anil Deshpande. He is doctorate in geology, PhD in environmental engineering. He is having more than 13 years industrial experience. His keen interest is in geology as well as environmental engineering. His area of interest is GIS and remote sensing as well as environmental impact assessment. He is dealing with consultancy related to the groundwater and tunneling. For preparation of the construction work, sustainable, environment friendly, his experiences are contributed. So this is all about this course. Hope this course, quality control practices and challenges on construction site, will benefit you in all respect. Thank you.